This thing is actually pretty big.
This one will fly about 4 minutes.
Jamie filming. Jet.
David filming. Could that one fly higher than the other one?
Yeah, theoretically, yeah. I mean, yeah, it's a lot faster than the other ones. The other one's built for combat. You actually take them up and try to run them into each other.
Where do you get these from anyway? Do you build them?
Well, they're kits. This one, believe it or not, at one time was only 99 bucks.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it came with everything except the battery and the receiver.
So what power is it? Gas or just?
No, a battery.
Just a battery?
A battery right there. Not battery.
Okay, so how long are they good to fly for? About 20 minutes?
No, this one like 4 minutes.
4 minutes? Oh, okay.
And I'm gonna try to send the nose wheel. Don't touch it, okay? Let's look at it. Try to make it drive straight, and then I'm gonna adjust this. Hang on. There we go. Yeah, come back. There we go. Better. There it is. 9, and that I think that comes with the radio and everything. Mommy's it's not this radio, but it's a radio. Hey, so it's not bad.
That's pretty good.
That little wing you saw me flying, that kit is 50 bucks.
That's it?
But then you got to buy the $9 motor, which ain't bad.
Yeah, that's not bad.
And you can get an $11 receiver now, which is usually the most expensive part.
How long does that one fly for? About 10 minutes?
That one will fly 10 or better.
10 or better.
Yeah. And that's flying real slow. You want it to fly with less power because you're supposed to stay up a long time flying combat. The longer you stay up, the better chance you have of winning. So maybe we'll give this one more shot.
Until I gathered over there too.
That wouldn't be your car, would it?
That's theirs.
Yeah? Is it theirs out there?
Yeah, it's Kelly's friend. That thing's got a quick takeoff. Yeah, that thing's pretty fast.
We're going to go ahead and set up for a landing because we might have to make a couple of approaches.
They're all clapping over there. How many years you been flying jets?
Oh, I've just started flying the ducks and fans pretty recently. Never had really good luck because they were always underpowered. But these now, they'll go.
You probably got a helicopter too, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Which one's better, the jets or the helicopters?
That's just what you want to do.
What you prefer?
You know, I get bored. But I have one that's almost this size, which is 12 times as much as this, which is all balsa. And I don't fly it here. It takes a lot more runway than we have here. But this one, you can just about set it.